empire shattering battles. Happened in Panipat. It is enshrined, the clues are here, that is why we are elaborately discussing these points. All these invaders, what is their key understanding? All the invaders are from northwest India. The clue is embedded here itself. Here it will help you understand it with the help of a map. If all the invaders are from northwest, you have to understand the topography. For example, in the northwest, I'll use another slide for it. In the northwest, the attacks, invasions from northwest India. Here understand, the region here is the Thar Desert. Thar Desert that we name in India, this Thar Desert also in Pakistan known as Cholistan. Again here mountainous regions. The ranges are Hindu Kush, Suleiman and Kirthar ranges. Kirthar ranges, and they are interspersed with passes. Important pass that it will help you come. You cannot use any other route. If you come down south, you will find the Run of Kutch. Also, because of the topography, mobilization of a large army, especially cavalry, was impossible. This is observation number 1. There are passes. For example, the passes are Khyber, Bolan and Gomal. These passes you can only enter. The most popular pass was Khyber. Even during ancient Persians or the Greece or the Central Asians and later the Islamic invasions happened through these passes only. The second observation is that the clue is enshrined here in these trends. All these powers had their capital at Delhi. That means the foreign marauders, the invaders fought against a power centered around Delhi. Understood? To attack against a power in Delhi, their meeting point will be anything nearby. Because of the medieval system of administration and military, army was always at the direct disposal of the emperor. That means majority of the army will be stationed nearby to the sultan. This was the medieval order of things. In today, wherever are the choke points, strategic locations, generally this is the new form of defense. We deploy the army at strategic locations, at vulnerable sections. For example, had there been modern systems of strategic development, sultans would have protected, or the Rajputs would have protected the passes, because all the invasions happened here. But none of them felt the necessity of protecting the passes. None of them. Because the idea, the political thinking, the strategic military strategies were very different in the past. Now, so naturally, any point of contact, the ideal position of point of contact in most of the cases, especially these three, was Panipat.